Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami bunny. For this project, you are going to need a piece of paper. You can use origami paper, which is a thinner paper that is cut into the shape of a square, or you could use computer paper, and we will turn that into a square by folding it and cutting it. So either one will work. You're also going to need scissors and some coloring supplies. So let's turn our rectangular computer paper into a square. To do this, hold your paper horizontally from side to side, then find the bottom right corner of your paper. We're going to fold that corner up to the top edge of the paper. So the side edge of the paper is going to meet up with the top edge of the paper. Try to make sure that those edges meet up perfectly going across, and when you have it all set and you're holding your paper down tight, go ahead and crease your paper along that angle. Now take your scissors and cut off that extra flap of paper. And when you open your paper back up, guess what? You're going to have a square. And what's great about this next step is that our first step is already done for us. All we have to do is fold our paper back in half. There you go, first step of our bunny done. Now let's focus on the bottom edge of this triangle. We're going to fold it up towards the top point of the triangle just a tiny bit. Okay, not too much. This is going to make the thickness of our bunny's ears. When you have the thickness that you want, go ahead and crease your paper going across horizontally. Next, we're going to fold our paper in half. But to do this, I'm going to turn it to the side so the point of my triangle is facing the right, and then I'm going to fold the bottom up to the top and go ahead and crease it along the bottom edge. Then open your paper back up and hold it with the point of the triangle facing upward again. Now I want you to notice the crease that the last fold made. What we are going to do is we're going to take our right and left side of our paper and fold it up to the top so it lines up with that crease. You want to do that on the right side and the left side. Now let's take the bottom point of our diamond shape and fold it up just a tiny bit. Since we have folded our paper a bunch of times already, it's getting thicker. So this means that it's going to be harder to fold. And if you find that it's getting harder to fold and crease, you might need to use the side of a marker or a pencil to really press down on those folds and the creases to make them nice and flat. Next, let's turn this piece of paper over. So go ahead and flip it, and we have one last step before we start adding the design of our bunny face. Take the top flap of paper and fold it back and under just a tiny bit to make the top of the bunny's head. There you go. With a few simple steps, we just made the shape of a bunny rabbit's head. Now let's draw some designs on our paper to really make it look like a bunny. I'm going to start with the ears. I just want to draw two curved lines on each ear to show the inside of the bunny rabbit's ear. Then in the center of the bunny's head, I'm going to draw an upside down triangle with two curved lines coming from that bottom point of the triangle over to the right and left. And I can draw some bunny teeth and eyes. And lastly, you don't want to forget the little whiskers on the bunny rabbit's cheeks. Feel free to draw your bunny rabbit's face however you choose. Next, I'm going to add some color to my bunny rabbit's face. I'm simply going to color in the inside of the ears and little nose on my bunny. I hope you guys enjoyed creating this little origami bunny today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Always remember to have fun, be creative, and don't worry if you make a mistake. See you next time.